Dear student, myself R.S. Karpe, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Botany in Azra Mahavidyalaya Azra, affiliated to Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Today, we are going to discuss the application of plant biotechnology. Biotechnology is a technology that utilizes biological system to develop or create different products. The application of biotechnology includes genetically modified plant, food processing, bioremediation, water treatment, energy production, medical science, etc. Genetically modified plants have been useful in many ways. The first application is insect resistant in transgenic plant. So the Bt cotton, Bt brinjal are the insect resistant GM plants due to the gene of Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria. Plant resist to the insect and pests. The plants such as Bt cotton, Bt tobacco are resistant to larvae of the pest, and the plant cabbage acts as a insecticidal against diamondback moth larvae. When the plant consumed by the insect, automatically the insect will be die due to this Bt gene. The third next application is a production of flavor saver tomato. The flavor saver tomato is the GM plant produced in California. This tomato is genetically altered to soften more slowly so that the fruit can remain on the plant until it ripe. It remains fresh without rotting and deliver natural flavor in year. The antisense PG gene was introduced in tomato. Due to this antisense PG gene, tomato remain fresh in year. The next one, virus resistant plant. So there are so many scientists generate many virus resistant plant. For example, melon, tomato, potato, etc. The most common way of doing this is by introducing viral coat protein gene into the plant. The plant can produce the viral coat protein, and when the virus arrives on the plant, it cannot reproduce. In this way, the virus resistant plant were created by the scientists. The next application is the production of vaccine in plants. The foot and mouth disease of the animal. So you have know the foot and mouth disease of the animal is a common disease. With the help of cowpea mosaic virus protein particle, the antigen produced in cowpea plant, which is used against foot and mouth. When the animal consume the cowpea plant, automatically the animal fight against foot and mouth disease. The another one, the transgenic potato, were also developed and express hepatitis B surface antigen. Next one, that is the production of golden rice transgenic plant. The golden rice developed for therapeutic purpose, the gene from daffodil and a gene from Erwinia iridovora bacteria were incorporated into rice genome. The combination of these three genes That means the gene of the bacteria, gene of the daffodil, and gene of the rice helps the plant to produce the enzyme necessary to convert geranyl diphosphate to beta carotene. That means golden rice is capable of producing beta carotene in the seed, which is a precursor of vitamin A. When the rice is consumed by the human being, then in metabolic process the vitamin A is formed. Some rice have capacity to express human milk protein. The protein lactoferrin, lysoenzyme, antitrypsin expressed in the rice. One rice variety was developed to overcome the iron deficiency by introducing the soybean ferritin protein gene in the rice genome. Next application, production of high proteinaceous potato. In this potato, a gene from Amaranthus have been introduced to develop high protein content variety. There is another potato variety raised for producing antigen of cholera and diarrhea. Next application is transgenic maize. Various transgenic maize are developed and they are capable to produce AIDS antigen. Similarly, some other maize varieties were also developed for higher content of lysine and tryptophan. These amino acids are equivalent to milk protein. There are certain plant-based vaccines produced in fruit and vegetables like tobacco, potato, maize, kiwi orange, etc. A transgenic variety of tomato can cure the ulcer and stomach cancer. The next, gene for synthesis of human hemoglobin and human collagen have been successfully introduced in tobacco plant. Traditionally, the trypsin was isolated from animal pancreas, but now it is produced by transgenic plant, and in fact it is the first large scale transgenic plant product. Last one is bodies. The monoclonal antibodies produced in plant called plantibodies. So the tobacco, corn, potato, soya, alfalfa and rice are plantibodies producing plant. Plantibodies protect from pathogen and pest. Plantibodies interfere with pathogen infectivity and block plant pathogen infection. This is the application of plant biotechnology related to the transgenic plant. I think you have understand the application of biotechnology. So the next time we will discuss the other application of biotechnology.